A kì í ṣáájú ẹlẹ́ẹ̀dẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́dẹ́. What brought about that saying? And more importantly, what is ELEEDE? In the Yoruba numbering system, we've got ení, èjì, ẹ̀ta, ẹ̀rin, àrún, ẹ̀fà, and so on and so forth. Now, when we get to 500, we say ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ́gbẹ̀ta, 700, ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ́gbẹ̀rin, 900, ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ́gbẹ̀rún. So we can see here that there are more than one ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ́. Ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ́ pé oríṣiríṣi, ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ́ are many. Stay with me. Now, we have some people who always think they know it all. We call them the ITKs. I too know. They think they know everything. They think they know what you want to say even before you say it. And so the moment you open your mouth to say ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ́, they hastily complete it for you and say ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ́gbẹ̀ta. But you might have wanted to say ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ́gbẹ̀rin or ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ́gbẹ̀rún. How did you know that it was ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ́gbẹ̀ta I wanted to say? Now, you who is trying to say the ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ́ are the ẹlẹ́ẹ̀dẹ́ that proverb refers to. So we say a kì í ṣáájú ẹlẹ́ẹ̀dẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́dẹ́ nítorí ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ́ pé oríṣiríṣi. That is, never try to complete what the ẹlẹ́ẹ̀dẹ́ wants to say. Because the truth is, you don't know what the ẹlẹ́ẹ̀dẹ́ wants to say. You don't know if he wants to say ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ́gbẹ̀ta or ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ́gbẹ̀rin or ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ́gbẹ̀rún. So we use this proverb to curb the excesses of the ITKs, the I too knows, or those who hastily jump into conclusion. That something looks like it doesn't mean it is it. So we say to the ITK, calm down. No dey rush. Why are you running? Relax. Yé ṣáájú ẹlẹ́ẹ̀dẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́dẹ́. Wàá ṣeré.